Hello America, it's Michael Duncan Foster here. I am in Seymour, Indiana, sitting on my front porch and just checking out the snow. It's the snowstorm Hercules just came through and is still here, but we've got the front lights on our porch and it's lit up out here in the front. I thought I'd come out and eat a popsicle. Good thing about eating a popsicle in the snow, you don't have to worry about it melting. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to eat me a popsicle out here. It's beautiful outside right now. Wind's catching, picking up. See all the trees around us. It's dark over there. See how dark it is over there? It's light right here. It's very dark over there too. That's coming this way. That's what we're in the middle of. I enjoy it. It's beautiful, like I said. It's very quiet out here right now. Not very many people are out. It's dangerous to travel. Everyone's staying inside, trying to keep warm. It's supposed to be like 20, 35 degrees below wind chill factor is what we're getting over here. So it's frostbite, hypothermia, all kinds of stuff. But I'm enjoying it. It's windy. See, that's how the wind is. Good popsicles too. Outside. This is right outside our front door. Right across the street from the Anchor House. There's the Anchor House, which is a women's shelter for the homeless. I bet the people in there are very appreciative of the Anchor House right now. There's these unlivable conditions outside. It'd be hell being homeless, and that's the reason why I'm so lucky to be where I'm at right now until this winter lets up. And then hopefully middle of February, March, I might be able to get on my way and on my bike again and start heading out of this town. But until now, I'm nice, cozy, and warm. Cozy enough to eat a popsicle on my front doorstep of Larry and Kathy Bowen's house. It's beautiful. I love the trees. This one up here has a smiley face right in the middle of it. I don't know if I can catch that for you. There's a little smiley face. I'm having fun. I'm having the time of my life. Hope you all are too. Love it. Love all the lights out in the snow. Hear that wind? Some good wind coming. Street. Everybody's inside except for me, except for the crazy Texan. They're wondering, what the hell is he doing outside? Well, taking pictures, sharing it with everyone I can. Seymour, Indiana gets all 4 seasons. I've loved my experience here. Anyway, guys, hope y'all are staying warm. I'm done with my popsicle. I'll go back in the house now and get warm myself. Wanted to bring that to you. Peace. Love my sons, my family, my friends, everyone else out there. Thank you for the support. You can email me at michaelduncanvfree@gmail. michaelduncanvfree@gmail, all lowercase. And I will get your email and messages. Again, came out this far writing for 3 causes. 1, open up your heart, give out love, and good things will happen to you. God is real. The Bible is the truth. Jesus died for our sins. Number 2, there still is good-hearted Americans out here in the world. It's not all the doom and gloom that you see on TV. And number 3, virtual freedom. I believe we need to have constitutional amendments that protect our rights online, just like in the real world. I believe that the online world is an extension of our homes. Facebook is our house, and we should have the same rights that everyone else does in the real world online. If not, we need our own social network owned by the people for the people, so that we can change America the way that we want it. We need to get rid of corporate funding for all these congressmen in Congress. We need to take the money out of government, okay, because they're controlling the laws. The corporations, the banks, they're controlling the laws, and it's time that we the people stood up and did something about it in a peaceful way. And the only way to do that is to unite. We need to unite, come together in peace and love, and we can make things better. Peace. God bless you. God bless America. God bless God. Seymour, Indiana, everybody.